Want to spend more time with your family this summer without your business falling behind? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how I'm automating my business so I can be more present with my daughter while my offers, content, and traffic keep running in the background. I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. And today, you'll discover exactly how to reclaim your summer with smart systems and AI. No experience needed. Here's what you'll get in this video. First, you'll see how I uncovered the big time wasters most entrepreneurs don't even notice. Next, I'll walk you through how I chose what to automate for the biggest impact. Then I'll pull back the curtain on the AI-powered workflow that's creating my content for me and how you can steal it. Plus, you'll get actionable tips you can use before summer even starts. Let's start with the real problem. Most entrepreneurs don't actually know where their time goes. You might think you do, but the truth is most of us are working on autopilot. We miss the hidden time drains and comfort zone tasks that keep us stuck behind the scenes. For me, it was teaching, creating new trainings, stuff that felt productive, but wasn't actually bringing in traffic or sales. So step one, I did a time study. Every 15 minutes, I wrote down exactly what I was doing. It was about seeing which tasks were actually moving the needle and which ones I was using to procrastinate. A time study is a game changer. It makes your habits and your feelings visible. Suddenly, you can see what's really holding you back. For me, I realized I was avoiding the tasks that would actually grow my business, like putting myself out there for traffic and real connection. Step two, once I knew where my time was really going, I focused on automating the biggest points of leverage. That means asking what will make the most money, what will save the most time, what will save the most money. And I always prioritize the money-making activities first, because more revenue means more freedom and more options. Here's how my process works now. I start with a quick voice memo that I send myself in Slack. That message gets automatically transcribed and sent to ChatGPT, which turns my talking points into a formatted blog post and a video script. Then my team gets notified. They upload and schedule the new blog, the YouTube video, even social posts for Facebook and Instagram. Plus, we use tools like HeyGen to create AI avatar videos for YouTube, so my content shows up everywhere, even when I'm at the park with my daughter. My entire content workflow runs on its own. All I do is record a quick voice memo. Everything else handled by AI and my team. If you're finding these automations valuable so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you never miss a strategy that frees up your life and boosts your income. Here's a bonus for you. As AI agents become more available, I'm starting to automate even more. Soon, AI will not just create the content, it'll upload, publish, and even engage for you. Imagine everything running in the background so you only step in when you want to,
Not because you have to.
Let's quickly recap what you've learned today. 1, you need to identify your hidden time leaks with a candid time study. 2, automate the tasks that make you the most money and set up repeatable systems. And 3, leverage AI and simple tools so your business runs even when you're offline. If you want my exact templates and step-by-step walkthroughs for setting up your own automations, just click the link below and download my Moneymaker GPT for free. This is the tool working behind the scenes of my summer freedom system. Take action today so your business works for you and not the other way around. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.